Okay, so I got the front half of my truck done with the Icon 2.5 coilovers. They came adjusted, I think, like 3 inches of lift, or so 2.5, maybe 3 inches of lift. So I had to lower them a bunch because I have not done the rear yet, which I'm gonna do the Archive Garage hammer hangers and the RXT leaf springs, and that's gonna raise it up. I believe it's like 2 inches, just under 2 inches, but that's after it sags. So after the break-in period, it's probably gonna, right off the bat, it'll probably be like more like 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches until it settles. So anyways, this is after what it looks like right now. Completely different. And that's only like less than 2 inch lift in the front. Yeah, maybe 2 inches. I had to dial it way down. It was squatting pretty good. But yeah, got the icons, control arms, the 2.5 coilovers, Vision, Minx 2, and then the Maxxis Razor 285/70 R17. So almost a 33, pretty much 33. I went with -12 offset. Sticks out about 1.5 inches or so. Not too bad. I like it. The stance looks great. Try to get that rear wheel in there. Yeah, it came out good. Can't wait to do the rear. I'm just waiting on some bump stops. Then, yeah, I'll be able to do all the stuff in the rear. All right, thanks for watching.